那个大小声是刚好适合的，就是不会爆音，然后在老师讲话的时候，他就是没有什么反应这样子。
That looks like a pretty good level. It's going pretty high, but it's never hitting red. Okay.
然后就是那个它的那个就是音量大小，就是可以很大声，但是又不会到爆音的部分。
Remember, how did I set that level? I just set it on my inbox, like right here. I just keep on adjusting until I get the right level. So you
然后就是记得老师就是在调整那个第一个旋钮的
adjusting your
那
level
个
until you get that right perfect level.
大小声，然后就是你要调到你最佳的那个音量的位置，然
Just
后
kind of listen and look at the
就
red.
是你要去看那个边听，然后边看那个有没有音量的大小声有没有到那个红色的点。那如果有到红色的点的话，就代表你爆音了。爆音的话，你就要再做那个调小声的那个动作。
You can press record, play. Record, play. Now it's recording.
然后现在就是，如果你要录音的话，就是你可以要先按下那个 record 键，然后再按 play 的键，它就会开始录音了。
Okay. Or you can press F12.
然后或者是你可以按 F12的按钮，然后它就一样会就直接开始录音了。
Okay. Let's do it.
所以我们就开始录了。Hi teacher, look at the beautiful rain. I love it. Okay.
I'm going to turn it down. It clips, so I'm going to turn it down. Go ahead.
Wrong teacher.
More feeling.
Wrong teacher.
Okay, hold on. A little bit too low. One more time.
Wrong teacher. No time for picture. Wrong.
Okay, perfect. Finished.
然后就是我们这样就结束我们的录音了，就是那个刚才老师要那个多一点情绪化的表现。
Okay, and I don't have any clipping. I had clipping here, but that wasn't one of my lines. Okay.
然后那个就是他那个部分有一些爆音，但是那个不是老师要的地方，所以那个可以就之后就可以再做修掉的部分。
Okay, now we'll record my lines.
然后现在要录老师的台词。
So I recorded on. Oops, I recorded that on record mark. That's okay. Now I'll record my lines on the next track down.
然后老师就是在那个下面的那个轨道上面录老师的音。
Okay. You should take a picture. Too low, so I try it again.
就是太小声，然后老师就再试一次。
You should take a picture. Too high. Now, someone should. We're just doing a demonstration, so we're not listening. You should definitely listen with the headphones. Anytime you do a recording, you should always listen to make sure it sounds good.
就是基本上的话，就是
That's really bad to show you recording without listening. Okay.
就基本上我们在录音的时候，就是戴着我们的耳机，然后去仔细听的那个声音有没有到爆音的部分，然后就是听那个声音是不是清楚的。然后就是老师刚才就是有一个错误的示范，就是他没有戴耳机去听那个声音是不是 OK 的。那就是你们在录音的时候，就是都要就是记得要那个就是要记得戴耳机，然后听那个声音的大小，然后去做音量调整，然后再开始录音这样子。
Someone should always be wearing the earphones.
所以就是记得你们在录音的时候，就是要有人戴着耳机。
I'm going to stop this recording and try again.
然后老师会再重新录一次那个他的台词。老师就是现在都把那个录音的工作就完成了，那现在就是我们就是要把那个接下来混音的工作，就是把那个声音都结合在一起，然后让它成为一个故事这样子。
Okay, so I'm going to give you the microphone now. I'm going to ask you all to make your recordings.
然后现在老师就是会把大头麦传给你们，然后就是你们要去做你们的录音工作。
Remember, now since you're making a recording on your inbox, you have to go to input instead of playback. Okay, you have to switch over to input because you want to listen to what's going input into inbox.
然后就是记得你们在 Mbox 上面第3个旋钮，它就是有一个 input 的那一边，你要转到，因为你要听到的是你录的声音，所以你们要转到那个 input 的那个地方，然后就才可以去听你们录到的声音这样子。你们可以用老师的故事，然后你们也可以自己想一段小故事，然后就2个人的对话之类的，然后再把音效加进去这样子。就是你们可以使用老师的对话，或者是你们可以自己创造一个小的短的故事，或者是一段的对话这样子。
You're in microphone.
你们插到麦克风第2个。
Okay. So that's okay. You can use 2. Just turn down 1, turn up 2, and then change this to. Oh, this is a stereo track. No, that's your output.
那是 output。
At 1, 2, 1, 2. But then you made a stereo track. You need to make a new mono track.
你们要增加的轨道是新的那个单声道轨道，不是那个双声道轨道。就是你们要再新增2个单声道 mono 轨道 mono。
Okay, good. You want your volume mode. No, I'm sorry. Waveform mode. Yes, good. And you want to press R. Press R so it's ready to record. And then you want to. You are in mic 1. This is your level. So if you speak into the mic, you should hear something. Go ahead. Okay, so now it's going up. So now you want to adjust this level as you're talking to make sure the level is big, nice and fast.
就是你们要，就是现在要把，就是调整那个音量，去让那个你们的那个录到的声音尽可能是录到大声的声音，所以就是你们要去做这个调整，然后把它去调整到你们要录的那个音量。
Yeah. Okay. Oh, you have too many tracks.
Oh, 就是你们有爆音了，然后你如果要消掉那个爆音的话，就点一下，然后就可以继续试讲其他来源音。那你们现在需要做的事情就是去调整你们要的音量，然后就是你们要试讲，然后去调整你们要的那个音量。对，就是那个来源音的部分，就是可以调这个去调这个样子。对。
Oh,
就按
because
我要录的话
this is just ready.
对，然后现在是试录，
But to really record, you have to press F12.
这个音量调到你要录到最大的音量，就是去那个放大镜那个功能。
And you can hold it down and press the button and just zoom to a certain part.
然后就可以按左键，然后就选取你要选取的那个部分就好了。
Keep zooming in, zoom in. And that, if you zoom in far enough, you can see the wave.
然后如果 room 很近的话，就可以看到那个波长了。
Not bad, sorry. Now, if this goes to the top and it gets clipped off at the top, then it's clipping. But it looks like I'm okay. It's going high, but it's not to the top of the box.
就是它如果是有被切掉的状况的话，就是代表说它有爆音了。但是它现在就是刚好到那个点，所以那个是没有爆音的情况。
Now, so how you can check for clipping is you look at the one that looks the biggest, right?
然后要检查就是要怎么检查爆音的话，就是你去看那个最大声的地方，然后就是它波长振幅最大的地方，如果 大的话，你就查看那个振幅大的地方，看那边有没有爆音。